Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 8 of the ICT Level 2 exam preparation worksheet. In this exercise, we need to calculate the incomes of Seaburn Empire. On the opening night, all tickets were reduced by 5%. Once calculated the ticket price, we will need to calculate the incomes and check if there is any profit by using the formula if. Let's start. For things we are going to format at the table, we select it and apply all borders. Also, we highlight the heading in a different color, for instance, pink. Now, select cell D5 equal C5 times 95%, then press enter to finalize the formula. Drag down the fill handle. Let's calculate the incomes now. Select cell F5 equal D5 times E5, press enter to finalize the formula, and drag down the fill handle. In cell F11, we will calculate the total using the auto sum shortcut. Now let's select F13 and use the formula if. We type equal if open brackets F11 minus £13,604 close brackets bigger than 0, comma, type open quotation mark yes, close quotation mark, comma, open quotation mark no, close quotation mark, close brackets, enter to finalize the formula. Oh no, I forgot the close brackets after the condition. Let's fix it. Enter the close brackets, enter, and will work. Let's align the text, then the graph. Select from cell B4 to cell B10, press Ctrl, select from cell F4 to cell F10, then press F11 on the keyboard. Excel will generate a graph in a new tab. Change the graph as a pie chart with percentages using the Change Graph option. Feel free to format the table and the graph as you like. Finally, we will rename the Graph tab as AC9, and we will move it after E8. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.